All right, Haley, let's see what's in it.
Hey guys, today I'm going to open this giant LOL pencil. Let's see what's inside. I already have this open now. Yeah. Now this thing is hard. Ooh, what's this? Let's open the pearls. Woo! Last pearl. The cat. Now let's open the pearls. This one's pretty hard. Let's open the blue one.
Do you want to put the bath bomb in the water and see what happens?
After I open these, I'll open them. Okay, Larry. These are pretty hard. Ooh, some pretty
Look! I found a